Hello everyone, wish you all a very happy Easter. So what's special for Easter on Food Camaraderie? We have the kingfish, which is also known as the seer fish or surmai, in a very rich and creamy basil gravy. A very simple preparation, gets ready within no time yet looks scrumptious. In the following videos we have the chicken in basil, and for our vegetarian friends we also have the paneer in basil. Let the amazing aroma and the taste of basil take you over this Easter. Have fun! To 500 grams kingfish, which is also known as seer fish or surmai, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon olive oil. Mix the pieces well with the marinade. Ensure all areas are covered. Once done, refrigerate for half an hour. Now let's fry the fish. Place the pan on low to medium flame. Grease it with little extra oil than usual. Place the slices of fish on the pan. Cover and allow to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then flip the pieces. Cover and allow to cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. By then, the fish should be cooked and ready. Now let's prepare the gravy. On a separate pan, heat 2 tablespoons oil on medium flame. Place 4 bay leaves first, followed by 8 cloves and 15 peppercorns. Then add 4 finely chopped medium-sized onions, about 15 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Stir and cook until onions turn translucent. Then take about 100 grams cheese. Chop and add these to the onions. Stir until the cheese completely melts. Then take 1 cup basil leaves. Chop and add to the pan. Stir well. Then add 1 cup fresh cream. Mix well. And add a pinch of turmeric powder. Then add 4 chopped green chillies. Sprinkle black pepper powder. And then sprinkle oregano. Towards the end, add 1 cup milk. At this stage, ensure the flame is low, else the milk might curdle. Allow to simmer and the gravy is ready. For plating, we debone the fish. You may choose not to. Plate it the way you want or simply add the fish pieces to the gravy. And gently mix these with the gravy. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, hit that like button and please subscribe to the Food Camaraderie channel. Thank you.